On to this now. The City of Johannesburg Metro Police Department finally has an official chief after 5 years without one. Now, Commissioner Patrick Jaga was inaugurated at JMPD Chief of Police earlier today in a spectacular ceremony held at the Johannesburg Stadium. Now, taking an oath of office administered by the Gauteng Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Tommy Mtombeni, Jaga to uphold peace and order in the city.
Isebe lokhuseleko loluntu kwisixeko saseGoli libeke ngokusesikweni inhloko yamapolisa entsha uPatrick Jaga. UJaga ungena kwesi sikhundla echazwa njengengcali yonyanzeliso lomthetho ebalaseleyo enamashumi eminyaka yamava. Kwaye naye uthembisa ngokuba negalelo kweli sebe ngokuba alikhusele futhi aliphucule.
Today I stand before you with immense pride and deep humility as I accept the honor of serving as the Chief of the Johannesburg Metro Police Department. I do so with full recognition of the immense responsibility that comes with this position. It is my firm commitment to implement a robust strategy that will strengthen visible policing, enhance crime prevention initiatives, and prioritize the safety of our most vulnerable citizens. Under my leadership, JMPD will work closely with ward councillors, community policing forums, local stakeholders, and the community to develop safety strategies that are responsive to the needs of each ward.
Le nhloko yamapolisa yamkelwe ngezishushu kwisikhundla sayo ikhatshwa ngeengcebiso ikwakhuthazwa kwesisahluko sayo sitsha.
Today's inauguration of Chief Jaga is not just a ceremonial event. It is a call to action, a signal to every corner of this city that the fight for law, order, and justice is back at the top of our agenda. Commissioner Jaga brings with him not just decades of experience, but a deep, tested understanding of what it means to serve with honor.
You need to capacitate your officers so that they can comply with the COCTA regulation. Some of them, you need to make sure that they go to improve their education and all of that, and ensure that when these boats are coming in, they're able to really qualify. And you must address the well-being of the officers. Our officers are going through a lot, my chief. They are seeing things on the street. They have families. You must have an open door policies.
UJaga ukwathembisa ngokusebenza ngokusondeleneyo nangentlonipho nabo baza kube bephantsi kolawulo lwakhe. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka, eGoli.